Welcome to Gear Vlogs Automotive Podcast, a hybrid call-in talk show where you, the viewer or listener of the Gear Vlogs YouTube channel, can tune in and listen to the latest in automotive news and happenings within the automotive space. I'm Mario Gear. Want to be a part of the show? It's easy. Just call our show voicemail hotline at 805-419-5129 any time of the day of the week before the following Thursday and leave a message. Or please follow us on the Clubhouse app. Become a member of the Gear Vlogs Gearheads Club on Clubhouse and raise your hand to come on stage and be a part of the community when we go live, most nights starting at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific. So sit back, relax, and crack open a cold one. The world's first electric hyper SUV. The ongoing transformation of Lotus to a truly global performance car brand has reached its most significant milestone yet. The all-new, all-electric Lotus Eletre is striking and progressive hyper SUV, the first of a new breed of pure electric SUVs. It takes the core principle and Lotus DNA from more than 70 years of sports car design engineering, evolving them into a desirable and all-new lifestyle car for the next generation of Lotus customers. The company's famed expertise in the field of ride and handling, steering, and optimized aerodynamics have been carefully and respectfully evolved. The Eletre takes the heart and soul of the latest Lotus sports car, the Emira, and the revolutioning aero performance of the all-electric Evija hypercar and reinterprets them as a hyper SUV. Known until 2 days ago only by its Lotus codename Type 132, the Eletre is a globally relevant product, a shining halo of sustainable mobility for worldwide audiences. Embodying motion, intelligence, and prestige, it extends the reach of the Lotus name, badge, and renowned driver engagement to a new audience. A bold new decision to the Lotus performance car portfolio, the Eletre delivers a significant number of firsts for Lotus. The first 5-door production car, the first model outside sports car segment, the first lifestyle EV, the most connected Lotus ever, and yet it remains a true Lotus, a beautiful car carved by air, packed with pioneering technology, genuine sporting performance, and simplicity of purpose, design, and development by the passionate and global team. The Lotus Eletre is alive with character and personality. The Eletre is a 4-wheel drive, has a battery capacity that's over 1,000 kilowatt hours, and with a power from 600 HP, a 350 kilowatt charger will deliver a 400 kilometer or 248 mile range in just 20 minutes. The car's target maximum WLTP driving range is C.600 km or C373 miles. It also comes with the ability as standard to accept 22 kilowatt AC charging, which, where available, reduces the time plugged in. Technology includes the most advanced active aerodynamic package on any production SUV and intelligent driving technology such as the world's first deployable light detection and ranging or LiDAR system in production cars. Add in a dynamic walk-up sequence that delivers a moment of theater every time the driver approaches the car, and it's clear the Eletre is making a simple statement. There is a Lotus reinvented, the birth of the new icon into the Lotus stable. Managing Director Lotus Cars commented, "The Eletre is a bold and revolutionary new car delivering on our commitment to move Lotus into completely new automotive segments as we widen our global appeal and accessibility. This is a momentous point in our history and a clear signal of our ongoing desire to transform our business. It is a true Lotus, and we're confident it will delight performance car and customers and offer a distinct alternative to the segment's established players. The Eletre has the soul of a Lotus and the usability of a SUV. Alongside the Emira sports car, this is the perfect two-car garage from the Lotus. CEO Group Lotus added, the Eletre, our hyper SUV, is a new performance car from an iconic performance car brand, and it will appeal to independent-minded and adventurous driving enthusiasts. Those who love the thrill of driving. It is a unique combination of beauty, design, exceptional dynamic performance, and everyday usability. For those who dare to look beyond the conventional, it marks during the point of our business and brand. He added, while the worldwide critically acclaim for the Emira has reaffirmed Lotus's position as a respected sports car marquee, the Eletre will make Lotus accessible to a whole new audience. It is completely alternative for those who desire a true driver's car, but whose lifestyles demand something more practical than a traditional sports car. And it is only the start for Lotus. There is much more to come. The Eletre is the first in a new range of premium lifestyle performance electric vehicles to be built at the all-new state-of-the-art production facility in Wuhan, China. The car has been born British, raised globally, and designed, led by the UK, supported by a collaborative work with teams in China, Sweden, and Germany. The overall exterior and interior design has been led by an international team based at the Lotus Tech Creative Centre in Warwickshire, UK. Peter Horby, Senior Vice President, Executive Advisor, Design, Lotus, commented, the Eletre is a rare creative opportunity in performance car design. The chance to start with a blank sheet of paper and develop an all-new vehicle that takes a brand in a completely fresh direction. There has been a close working relationship and much collaboration between the Lotus Design Studio in Warwickshire and Heathel. The result is a hyper SUV that is genuinely different to what's on the market. The electric powertrain has inspired a cab-forward design that echoes the iconic mid-engine layout of Lotus sports cars, creating a unique look and position in the SUV segment. The arrival of the Eletre signals the start of a new era of pure electric SUVs. The Eletre is built on Lotus's all-new and highly versatile electric premium architecture, EPA. The low-to-the-ground design means outstanding handling, and the EPA can be easily adapted to accommodate C+ and E+ vehicle class battery sizes, motors, component layouts, and intelligent driving technologies. The performance will be the basis for an all-new range of premium lifestyle performance electric vehicles from Lotus, led by the Eletre. These cars will catapult Lotus into a new era of higher retail volumes and significant revenues. The Lotus Eletre is on sale now across the global markets, with the first customer deliveries in 2023, starting in China, the UK, and Europe. For more information, to reserve your Lotus Eletre, please visit Lotus US or lotuscars.com. So there you have it on some informations on it. If you want more details, I'll have links to this article in the show notes. There we go. Leave your comments down below. Now, do you think that you want to see this car come to the U.S. market based on this last statement here? Obviously, it's going to be made for China, UK, and European markets, but no mention of the U.S. market. What does that tell us? Could it mean it's priced out of range for the U.S. market? Or are their manufacturing capacities not able to meet demands at how popular it may be? Or does Lotus not have an infrastructure set up here in the U.S. to accommodate the demand and support of an SUV product that they have here in the U.S.? Yeah, comment down below what you guys think. Here are a few videos YouTube thinks you may enjoy. Be sure to follow me on all of my socials. So, crack open a cold one, sit back, relax, and have a blessed day.